Hello everybody, this is Suresh from Easy and Simple Cooking. Today I'm going to teach you to make Masala Fish Fry. This dish comes from the south of India, from the Tamil Nadu state. It's a very simple dish, but still it's very flavorful and easy to make. So let's get started. Let's see what we're going to do now. Actually, today I am using kingfish steaks and just very simple spices, very basic simple spices that are available in every household. Our first step would be to marinate the fish. Take 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Actually, you could adjust the salt as and when you are ready with your marination paste. And we will squeeze in half a lemon with its fresh juice. If it's a big lemon, then it's half. If it's a smaller one, then you can use the whole lemon. We'll use 2 teaspoons of garlic paste and then mix it well, and also add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And now we mix all this into a fine paste, smooth and fine paste, which will be our marinade for the fish. Okay, mix it well. Now the marinade is ready and it's time to apply on the fish. Apply this marinade on the fish, on all sides of the fish, generously, so that the fish is covered fully with the marinade. And you can marinate all your fish slices or as many as you require to cook. Actually, you can also marinate the fish and keep it in the chiller for about a week maximum, and take and use whatever you want according to your requirement. Place the marinated fish in a container and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours or overnight for a better flavor. Okay, it's time to fry. So let's take out the required amount of fish and keep it out in the room temperature for the chillness to reduce, which will help us to cook the fish fully and properly. So this is going to be a shallow fry fish, so we're going to use a tawa, or you can call it a skillet, on which we will fry the fish today. Once the oil is hot, place the marinated fish slice and cook on medium flame. Turn the fish on both sides so that you can cook the fish evenly on both the sides, and ensure that you get a nice golden brownish color, and make sure that there is enough oil on the pan so that the sides of the fish also get cooked well, or else the top and bottom will be cooked and on the sides it will still be raw. And also you can keep moving the fish around to make sure that the sides are cooked well. Now Normally, fish fry would take about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame to cook. And this way, when you cook the fish on a shallow fry, the fish remains to be moist and it contains its original flavors. Or else when you deep fry normally, all the flavors are lost in the hot oil and it becomes crispy. Okay, now the fish is ready. So let's serve with a slice of lemon and a few rings of onions. I hope you all like the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to press that bell icon to receive our future videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.